Hi guys, welcome back. It's Alexandra here at Edgar Makeup Artist. Very fortunate to have the fabulous Caitilin McCoy, who is an up-and-coming pageant queen in the northeast of England. Are you enjoying all of the pageant life, Caitilin?
I am. I really enjoy taking part in it all.
Oh, what got you into it?
I was just looking for something extra to do in my life and thought it looked fun. It's a great way to meet new people.
So this eye cream, when you apply it, ring finger, so it's the lightest finger because this is very delicate skin, and you just want to roll out like this. On this bone you'll feel it, the orbital bone. So you're not putting pressure here because as the eye moves, it'll take what it needs. And that's really draining effect. So if you ever suffer with puffy eyes or dark circles, it really helps drain it all down to the lymph nodes, which are down here. Next we've got your Intensive Renewal Serum. This one goes deep into the skin, so it goes through the epidermis, which is what we see, down to the dermis. And that is the building block with all your collagen. It's like the scaffolding, the structure for the skin. So you really want to look after that. Just takes the skincare deeper. And then we'll look after the surface of the skin, the brightness, get that luminosity with our restorative cream. This is a great opportunity when you're doing your makeup to get a real feel of your client's bone structure, complexion, really get a good feel of where those cheekbones are, where the hollows are, and get that skin really zinging. So this just fills any little baby lines, any pores on the complexion, and it creates a real nice barrier for your skincare, a barrier then the cosmetic, the makeup. All of these products are going to do your skin a benefit though, so it's a real treatment and a makeup. It's just an extension of the skincare really. It's all packed with antioxidants and green tea. You, my darling, are Honey Beige in Perfecting Liquid Foundation. And I'm just going to take my foundation brush, nice flat brush, and again, like we've said before, we think of the face like a heart, so just apply the product where we need it. And I always like to do complexion first, just to even out that skin so I get that beautiful canvas. It covers beautifully. It's kind of a medium to full coverage. So you've got any little breakouts without it being too heavy on the skin. It's going to even it out beautifully. I'm always a fan of this sort of brush. The other ones that I feel they lose the product and they're quite harsh on the skin. They use a lot of your product and don't need so much. See how it's evening out straight away, the complexion. Everything feels good too, huh? Like really hydrating. Good. So that I am happy with at this stage for complexion. We'll build on this shortly. Next I want my Prime and Proper Eye Makeup Primer. My friend laughs when I say this. Do you need it? Yes, you really do. It just gives, again, instead of makeup sitting and seeping into the skin, it gives it something to adhere to and stops it creasing in this area. There we go, it's that easy. Now, I actually want to use a different base and just pop that straight over. It's kind of a bone colour, you see? You can see I use an awful lot of this one. And you just want to put this all over what you've just done. Straight across, sweep it. See, there's no special way. Get it into the brush, get it onto the lid, and just set all that primer that we've just applied, which looks great. Now, tonight's outfit's going to be orange pants, this gorgeous navy and white striped jacket, baker boy hat, yes? So we're just going to go on with that flow with some golds and gorgeous hues. With this palette here, we've got Solar, Sunstone, Sequoia and Storm, and all we got to do is go straight in and straight onto the lid. So this is going to look amazing with the orange trousers. Are they like culottes on? Are they loose?
Yeah, they're really wide.
Oh, wow. You see, there's no special way, it's the eyelid. You know where the lid is because if you open your eye for me, Caitlin, that there is what we call the crease of the eye. So we're keeping the colour just onto the lid. And just build up to the intensity you want. The big trick I'll show you soon is when the watercolour brush comes into play. So I would be quite happy leaving that there and taking nice watercolour brush, go into your next darker shade and start. If you think, where does it go? Watch your brush will take it for you, and start rolling this into the crease of the eye. Back and forth, out, up and along, so you can get as intense as you want. This gives beautiful depth. Again, your light brings forward and your dark recedes. So if you want to do a real nice smoky eye like I've done here, that's 2-minute job on a morning with one colour, and you can really sort of vamp it up and glam it up for an evening. And don't worry if it's gone off or you've lost your shape or anything, because we're going to use concealer after this. We've done the eye. That's why I do the eyes, then I finish complexion. It's a Long Story mascara. This stimulates the lash growth as well. So you get every cycle of lash growth, you get your best, fullest lash. And you just want to zigzag it. Look at those lashes. And zigzag it up. So we are going to use Dusty Rose on, off, and smile please, and just bring that colour round onto the cheekbone. See the pupil? Here's your colour and pop. So you've got it exactly where you want it. So you've got the pupil of the eye, you're in, and you can see straight away it just gives the skin all the dimensions and loads of depth that it needs. And then I always like to just bring a little up here. And highlight. My beloved opal, it's like cream powder. And I just take it in, tap it off the brush, and let me show you from this side. So, where the light would hit, we're just going to apply opal. And a little bit on the Cupid's bow for the light to hit and bring that lip out. Pretty translucent loose powder is not going to give a heavy finish to the skin, and it's not going to take away from any colour that we've already put on there. So you've got a real radiant finish. And we've got our smoothed over lipstick in Zinnia, which is kind of like a balm and a lipstick, so this is great for summer. And nothing hard, no heavy lines. Just bring that lovely glossy shade all over Caitlin's lips. And I want to finish off with a slick mimosa. There you go. Okay, get a mirror for you in a minute, and let's see. And a wee bit of eye gel, and you are ready to go. I'll get your hair curled, and then we'll show you guys the final look. And that is your final look for this evening. What do you think?
I really like it.
Looks great with the dress, huh? Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next month. All the best. Bye bye.